Yeah, I'm Mohammed Sharjeel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Also, we are going to discuss today the kickoff meeting, why this is crucial for any project, and when it should be scheduled, why it should be scheduled, with whom it should be scheduled, and as a project manager, you have to identify all these things. So, guys, to start anything, there should be any activity. So, kickoff meeting is an activity for starting to begin any project. So, guys, I'm Mohammed Sharjeel. I'm PMP certified. So, I want to give the reality check and the real example of the project here, how we should start the project and how the kickoff meeting should be lead from the project manager and how it should be end. So guys, I just prepare a very short ppt file for you. Just add the data here. Please do not see the visuals in the ppt files, just see the data what I have added. So it is for, you can use it for any big and small project, but you can modify accordingly as per the project detail. So guys, let's see the First of all, we have to discuss the agenda of today's meeting. It is obvious. So, in that, we introduce ourselves, the team members, and also expect to other parties if anyone involved in that, any vendor, any customer. So, they should also introduce their team. One thing I want to discuss here. So, guys, it is depend on the project, the criticality, and the audience. How many audience you have? Sometimes I request team member to introduce their self individually, or sometimes I introduce the team. It's depend. So it is good idea if you engage the team member for the introduction. They introduce themselves. This is very good idea. They can involve from the initiation of the kickoff meeting, and then we have a one slide where we discuss the project overview. We give the overview of the project to everyone so that everyone should be aligned and keep on the same page, and we discuss the scope of and the goal on high level in the kickoff meeting. And also we discuss the high level milestone and deliverables we are going to cover in that project so that everyone should have an idea what we are going to do, what the activities we are going to perform in this project. And then I use the RACI matrix also and the escalation matrix in the PPT file in the kickoff meeting so that everyone can understand who will be responsible, accountable, with whom we will be consulted, who will be informed, and how they reach out to anyone using the escalation matrix. So, guys, we also discuss the risk, the challenges we are going to face, or any challenge is going to be occurred in the duration of the project. So we also add all these details. And the final things, the communication is very important. As a project manager, you have to communicate to the team. You have to take the data status, and you have to make a status report. You have to make, you have to share the updates through the emails, sometimes the verbal in the meetings, using any tool of the project management. So, guys, this is very important part I have covered here. This is just an example I am giving you. You can add the more detail if you want. Is it's depend on the project. And so, guys, the first slide we can add the team members, the hierarchy, so that everyone can understand the team hierarchy, who will be working on this project, and how they can react, how can they approach, reach out to anyone. Then we can add the detail of the project team member, email address, their phone number, contact detail, so that everyone can reach out easily. uh, okay, let's try to, and we can add the scope and the goal of the project we discuss here to keep everyone aligned. This is just example. You can add the deal as per your convenience. The milestone, the deliverables on the high level, you can add with the timelines if possible, so that the team, the audience, stakeholder have an idea how the project and when the project will be started, and what is the deadline, any estimated deadlines for the project. So I use this chart sometime for the resi metrics. You can add more detail here for each team members, but on the kickoff meeting, I think this is enough. You can add the detail in the project plan with the name of the team members. Because we can also add the escalation matrix. This is my format I use here for this video. You can add your format as per your project convenience. And this is a communication medium. I try to add the detail what we are, what the tool we are going to use, and what where is the documentation will be stored, where the meeting schedule is, frequency of the meetings, purpose, medium, tool, participant who will be participating in that meeting. So we can discuss here. So, guys, I cover all these detail here for your understanding. I hope this will be helpful for you guys. If you have any question regarding the kickoff meeting, please do let me know. Uh, I will try to answer you and help you. Thank you so much, everyone.